scallops from the Bretagne, perfect quality, just marinated. And then we add the sea urchins, a little bit of oysters, Imperial caviar, then tips of seaweed in black and in green, a little bit of miso cream, and this is combined with foamed oyster water in the middle and shoyu vinaigrette. So it's a variation of the veal set. Variation means there is sweetbread, pan-fried and baked out. We are adding a little bit of the braised cheeks, and the mask of the veal is marinated and cooked. In the middle you will find a ragu made of the veal's tongue, serving that with ear and feet of the veal, baked out, black truffle, a little bit of egg yolk mayonnaise, a rucola tip and a truffle vinaigrette.
The biggest challenge is to get the best products and best quality each week, each day. It's the same for each restaurant in this game.
We're serving a chartreuse made of the duck liver from the Alsace. It's surrounded by black radish and black Périgord truffle, and then we cook it in the oven for about 12 minutes. Bretonian langoustine, which we cook in the shell, perfect quality, added by cocoa bean, by a little bit of a bean mash, marinated tomato, octopus, and a sauce which is like a beurre blanc with fresh basil, a little bit of vinegar in it, champagne and white wine. Enjoy. Basically, we take the sole. On top of it, we put a little bit of gamba carabiniero and confited lemon, and then we roll the sole around it. Underneath it is a spinach with a little bit of fresh coriander, some Thai asparagus, and the sauce is based on a fish roll, added by Mumbai curry and fresh coriander. The red mullet pan-fried on the skin, coming from the Bretagne. On top of it you will find a bouchon mussel, very big, added by the scales of the red mullet, bringing in a little bit of crispiness. Underneath that you will find razor clams, duck barnacles, surrounded by crevettes gris, kamatotani, a little bit of artichokes from the Provence region, and we serve that with the sauce based on a fish roll with saffron from Graubünden.
Aux Ermitages, la Guiraude, 2011, domaine à l'Imperial.
The plates are very, very hot, so be careful. Variation of the lamb. It's the pigeon from the Alsace, and we are combining the breast that's grilled on the bone and then marinated with dandelion honey and a little bit of Sichuan pepper. We put a little bit of puffed amaranth on top of it, lemon. Serve the fillet of the pigeon, the confited leg, and a small crouton made of offal with liver and with heart. Then a cream of the offal. This is a mash of palm's heart and a nice jus of pigeon with juniper. Enjoy. So now we are serving a variation of French romaine cheeses. The fond d'Ambert is served as a foam, and we put that onto a compote basically made of a Williams pear. Then we add a nice fresh herb salad and a little bit of black truffle on top of it.
Dessert of Kir Royal, which we took the jelly of cassis with a champagne foam. For it, we go with a sorbet of blood orange and Tasmanian pepper.
Vive la France! Allez les bleus! C'est parti! Faut goûter. We are in Île de la Réunion.
We have ideas and we are talking about this. We are working together to get a level for a 3-star restaurant. I think we are on a good way.
Chocolat Zélia de chez Valrhona, donc il y a un goût de noisette. Et donc c'est autour de la poire. Poire caramélisée, poire fraîche, poire pochée, sorbet poire avec de la fève de tonka. et des noisettes caramélisées, voilà. Good appétit. On fait avec du sapin cueilli de la forêt. On le mixe avec du sucre et ça nous fait un praliné typique régional avec les goûts de la forêt. C'est typiquement un classique français, c'est cerise aux kirsch trempée dans du chocolat et donc on a notre fameux Mon Chéri.
And of course some petit fours for the last step. 2 macarons, which is chocolate and banana, or the Black Forest cherry cake. Cannelé de Bordeaux with rum and vanilla. Coffee ganache pralines. Then we have pralines with marzipan and fir honey. Dulce caramel ganache with crispy nuts underneath. Paris-Brest, classic puff pastry with a hazelnut ganache. Classic Sicilian cannoli with a ricotta masala cream and pistachios. Chocolate truffle with passion fruit. Crème brûlée, of course. And the tartelette with rhubarb and vanilla cream.
Advice to the young chef from the big chef.
I think it's important that you love your job, you go to work each day and you try to be doing a better job each day than it's the last day. But the most important thing is take time for your career and love your job.